Cafe owners will approach you naman sa gate kasi usually required daw na may kasama kang local bago pumunta dito. Coffee here at 34 Coffee Fast Food. Honestly, not the best coffee. Bubulong ko lang kasi katabi ko yung may-ari. It's fine. It's not bad at all. Looking for a barbershop. Ito yung isang barbershop. Wait lang. Tatawid lang ako ng ligtas. $9.
What do you want for your haircut, my friend?
Buzz cut burst fade.
Buzz cut, buzz fade.
Yeah. Maybe a 6 or an 8 at the top. On top, yes.
Skin fade?
No, not entirely.
Oh, skin?
No skin.
Number one is alright. You want to keep it white?
Yeah. Just shape it maybe into like a V.
Like a V?
Yeah. Taper it. This is what we've baked. We have the pork sausage, we have balut, mantis shrimp, kami ating nagtitinda na itong tubog-tubog. As a people pleaser, hindi na nakapanggil. Okay. I just decided na hindi na dumaan dun sa Beer Street because it was too packed. Like, hindi ka masustuck ka talaga sa daan kasi sobrang crowded. Beer in a can. I wanted to try the one in the bottle because mas maganda yung packaging. But this is my order. It's roasted duck. We are here at the night market. Yeah, basically what you'd expect in a night market. Mga souvenirs, some fake goods, mga local crafts, may mga local na clothing brands din siguro. Grabe yung fake market dito sa Vietnam. Maganda yung quality though if you have the eye talaga. For example, yung embroidery na to. Medyo halata siya. Pero okay lang.
Lemon pop.
also got this barbecue. Oh, nice. I love this so much. Again, it's my last full day here. I spent 14 days here, pang 14 ko bukas before the flight. 2 weeks is more than enough to spend here in Hanoi, especially if those full 2 weeks talaga is just spent on traveling. But in my case kasi, my weekdays are still for working. I took VLs as well on Fridays. I took like 5 VLs for that. Para ano na rin, extra days. Tsaka sayang naman kung weekends lang talaga yung available days ko, di ba? 2 weeks is definitely more than enough. But if I still had more time, I would have gone to Sapa. And if I have like longer vacation days in a row, I would have taken the Giang loop as well. Kasi I think 2 to 4 days yung options for Giang loop.
Just go out and also do something. This is short sleeve. Maybe I think it's also cool for her.
Yeah, short sleeves are good.
Yeah, short sleeve. Maybe that color also nice.
Did you design this?
I don't have any certificate in the design, but I love the fashion. So you can use like this. If she doesn't want to make it like bigger at the back, but if not, like she can do like that. Maybe when you can do like for the beach wear also, you know. I have maybe like you can take a picture for her and then send it to her.
By the way, this is how the street where they do the night markets look like during the day. I want a Robusta or a Vietnamese mix. Oh, they have Robusta. And then some tea as well. Some dried fruit tea maybe. How much for this one?
You want to test the window?
Yes, yes. Oh, this is the sweet tea. Vietnam is a mix of Robusta and Arabica, right? Or do you have like a secret mix?
Vietnamese is Robusta Arabica.
Okay. Got the goods. So much. Thank you. Currently here in Hoan Kiem Lake, still in Hanoi. It's my 13th or 14th day. I was here for about 2 weeks. Yeah, so that's it. Hanoi is probably on your list, kaya ka nandito sa video na to. And I hope I helped a bit with dun sa ginagawa mong decision. I highly recommend Hanoi actually because the food is good, the places we've been to are good as well. Yeah, it's just a good place overall. And that's it. I think I'll see you in